When installing E-track in your truck or trailer, there's a few things to consider. The first thing to consider is what type of fasteners and how long do they need to be. Are you screwing through plywood, fiberglass, some other surface? How thick is that surface, and what are you fastening into? Most semi-trailers have aluminum framing, aluminum ribs, that kind of thing, similar to studs in a wall. So when you fasten, you want to fasten into those ribs. To do that, you can use metal screws, rivets. There's various options. So it really depends on the installation and what type of substrate you're going into. In this example here, we've got a plywood wall going in this framing on the back. So you want to try to line up with those structural ribs in the trailer, again similar to studs on a wall. So you want to find those points and line up so you have more meat to fasten into. Again, whatever type of fastener you decide on, consistently into those ribs. We did get the question, do I need to use every hole with a fastener in every hole? You don't have to, but the more fasteners you use, the stronger it's going to be. So that's a consideration. When installing a horizontal E-track compared to vertical, similar process, but the horizontal runs lengthwise on the wall. So where you put those fasteners, you want to try to hit those ribs or those studs in the wall. Just make sure you've got some good meat to fasten into to give as much structural integrity as possible.